Good morning to everyone. Our project title is Automatic Vehicle Braking System using Li-Fi technology, guided by Ms. K. Maragadalli, ME, Assistant Professor of Veltech EC. Our project members are Puvalingam, Sadish, Yogesh Kumar and Nurul Amin. Today, vehicles are moving in a peak speed in highways, so accidents are occurs. To avoid this situation, we implementing our project.
Existing system. Wi-Fi and many other radiation types are bad for sensitive areas like those surrounding power plants, but power plants need fast interconnected data systems to monitoring this like demand, grid integrity and core temperature. The savings from proper monitoring at the single power plant can add up to hundred of thousands of dollars. Li-Fi could offer safe ambient connectivity for all areas of these sensitive locations. Not only would this save money related to currently implemented solutions.
Proposed system. The Li-Fi technique is used here in the vehicle safety measurement system. A emergency data will transmit through the black light of the vehicle, and the Li-Fi receiver module will be placed in the front panel of the vehicle. It is connected to the engine through the controller. When the sudden brake or close brakes have been applied, this emergency message will transmit through this Li-Fi transmitter. The Li-Fi receiver that has been connected to the vehicle receive and control the speed of the engine automatically to avoid the collisions of the vehicle.
Introduction. Li-Fi technology is based on LEDs of the transfer of data. The transfer of the data can be with the help of all kinds of light, no matter the part of the spectrum that they belong. Also, the technology removes limitations that have been put on the user by the Wi-Fi. You no more need to be in a region that is Wi-Fi enabled to have access to the internet. You can stand under any form of light and surf the internet as the connection is made in case of any light presence. There cannot be anything better than this technology.
Block diagram. A block diagram consists of PIC microcontroller, demodulator, Li-Fi transmitter, Li-Fi receiver, and controller connected to the vehicle. Working of Li-Fi. The brilliant idea was showcased by the Harold Frost from the University of Edinburgh, UK, in this TED Global Talk on VLC. So what you require at all are some LEDs and the controller that code data into those LEDs. We have to just vary the rate of which LED flicker depending upon the data we want to encode. Such advancement promise a theoretical speed of 10 Gbps, meaning you can download a full high definition film within 30 seconds. This method of using rapid pulses of light to transmit information wirelessly is technically referred to as visible light communication, and it can compare to conventional of Wi-Fi.
Now we going to explain about our kit.
This is our kit. This is transmitter section. Transmitter section have one driver circuit and also PIC microcontroller IC. This is a receiver section. Receiver section also have one driver circuit. This is for driver power supply section. PIC microcontroller IC. This is LED. This is LED. LDR, light dependent resistor. Driver IC. Transformer and connected motor circuit.
The LED were connected to the transmitter side, car rear cam.
While the power is on, the motor starts run. This side is transmitter side and this side is receiver side. While we start the motor, assume this as a car. This is front vehicle. This is rear vehicle. When the car is going in a highway in a peak speed, if the front car driver applies a sudden brake, the rear car will be automatically detect the signal and it will slow. Now we going to
explain also.
see you how it happens. As I said, the engine started and the motor is running. If the accelerator is given speed, the motor will go run in high speed. If the front car brake applies suddenly, the signal will transmit through the LED and received by the LDR. And the signal is received by the receiver section and the motor will automatically slow. Thus our output is proceed.
And then again accelerator is not.
If we again give accelerator, the motor will start automatically. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.